Hello, thank you very much for watching a very special DS Games video. Kasi, number one, we are playing Avalon with 5 people. And number two, I'm playing. Walang moderator. Actually, may moderator technically. It's a tabletop game, tabletop site. But let's see, I'm playing with these 4 people. We have Skiddo Levino. We have Itlog. We have Kill Uncle. And we have Shaka. Yun. So, Avalon with 5 people, tatlong good guys, namely Merlin and Percival. Tapos may 2 bad guys, specifically an assassin and a Morgana. So, nagwagamit kami ngayon ng NetGames tabletop, NetGames.io, check the description below. It randomized the roles, meron silang role. Pati ako, may role din ako. And I guess we're gonna start the game. Sabi dito, 2 people, I'm gonna start with myself. So, siguro
This guy.
Sure.
Perfect.
Okay, fine. Sige. Maranasan ko naman yung Kill Uncle betrayal na napapanood ko lagi. Alright. So, first 2 people, myself and Kill Uncle, mag-vote kayo kung if you guys are approve or rejecting this particular pairing. Vote now, please. Thank you.
I can't vote.
Oh, FYI, everyone approved it.
What?
And the betrayal begins. Okay. Kill
That
Uncle,
voice, it's
success
creeping me
or
out. It's
fail?
really bad.
Kaya
Pag
problem natin
good, Kill
i-approve.
Uncle, success lang. Okay, nagsabit na siya. First card is, that was mine. The other card is, oh.
Interesting.
Okay,
Uncle
1 point.
success.
1 point good guy.
Long game. Long call.
Kill Uncle good.
Long good.
Wow.
Okay, now it's Skiddo's turn. Skiddo
Just this
pick
guy.
3.
Proven good. Proven
Pick
good.
3.
I feel bad. now.
Okay, I'll pick the previous ones. Wait.
Ay, lalabas na si
Set
Kill
up
Uncle
the-
dyan. Palitan mo si Kill Uncle. Tayo Skiddo and pick someone else.
Choose
Yeah,
me,
me
choose me.
and
Sandman is just playing the long call.
wait.
Magfe-fail na
Kill
to
Uncle,
si
why do you
Kill
want-
Uncle.
Kill Uncle, why do you want to be included though?
Because I'm the loyal servant of Arthur.
Oh yeah, right.
Plus,
Well,
first
Magfe-fail na to.
quest,
Magfe-fail na si Kill
first
Uncle.
quest,
I
tried and
I
true
don't
success.
like to choose both Sam and Kill Uncle, but they might be.
Ako na lang, me.
Magfe-fail na
Sige.
to
Check.
si Kill Uncle.
Chusheka,
But
don't
Shaka
include
would
me.
be next. Okay, we can.
We'll find out who's good, but just follow your heart.
Okay, I'm gonna choose myself, Sandman and
Itlog.
This guy.
Itlog.
Why?
I have
Okay.
Kasi
Okay,
good
I'm
ako
gonna
eh.
choose.
I have bad.
Naglagay ka na ng isang
I have
bad dyan for
feeling
sure.
about this.
I don't want to choose Kill Uncle. He might be bad. He might be.
Yeah.
When was I ever bad?
Seryoso.
Ipalit mo yung isa
Seryoso.
sa akin. Ipalit mo yung isa sa akin.
Palitan mo si Sandman.
Wow.
This character.
Wait, iwan mo si Kill Uncle. Sige. Tanggalin mo ako. Si Kill
Sandman is
Uncle
a
tsaka
long
si
game.
Itlog ilagay mo. Sige, tanggalin mo ako.
Okay.
I volunteer out. Kill Uncle and Itlog lagay mo.
Okay.
And
If this
yourself.
fails,
Mag-fail yan.
I hate you guys.
Mag-fail yan.
Okay, let's see. I know it's gonna fail. At
it's-
least it proves.
For this quest, it's Skiddo, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. I'm
This
gonna
is a
reject it.
success.
It's gonna push 2, but I'm gonna reject it. Kasi it's gonna fail. For
It's
sure,
not gonna
lalabas na si Kill Uncle dyan.
Wait, what's the
Lalabas na
bad
si
word?
Kill Uncle dyan.
Wait,
For sure.
Why am I the scapegoat here? Could it look?
Pag yun, I'll be surprised kung lahat yan eto
Okay,
na.
let's reveal.
Oh, yan
Kill
na.
Uncle yan.
Kill Uncle.
Kilala ko ng mga bad guys.
That's my.
Kill
Wow.
Uncle yan. Kill Uncle yun.
That no,
Wow,
check out
okay.
that. Huwag ka
Never
maniwala
ever
dyan.
Kill
put
Uncle
Itlog
yan.
and Kill Uncle together ever.
Siguro
again.
naman. I'm
Never
clear
ever.
Huwag ka
na.
maniwala. Trust
Siguro
me.
Don't
naman, I'm
include
clear
Kill
na. May isa
Uncle
pa lang
and
nag-fail.
Itlog ever again.
Skiddo, makinig ka sa akin.
Check out. Huwag mo include si Itlog.
Promise.
But trust
Kasi
me.
kay Uncle, ang hirap maniwala sa'yo.
Sheka, I'm good. It means don't
I have
don't
nothing
include
to
Itlog
lose
and
except
Kill
my
Uncle ever,
ego.
ever.
Ilan, ilan,
Di mo pwede
Dalawa lang.
i-convince si
Dalawa
Sheka.
lang, check.
Check out. Maniwala ka.
Nasa bad side yan.
Kailan kita pinatay? Never, di ba?
Kayo na lang.
Sige, di kayo na lang. Kayo. Pwede yan, di ba?
Kill Uncle,
Technically
ayun,
pwede.
Sheka.
Bakit di mo
Technically
sasama yung
pwede,
sarili mo?
Pero,
Sheka,
Dapat-
choose me because I'm good. We will
Okay.
definitely success this.
Piliin mo rin si Kila Uncle para dalawa kayong bad dyan sa loob. Tapos mapipilitan kayo.
Sige, wag na
mag-success.
si Kill Uncle.
Just
Okay
don't
na. So,
choose
Sheka
Happen.
Log
selects
and Kill
Reject.
Uncle together.
I trust you.
Sheka selects Skido. Sheka and Skido for
Reject,
this quest.
reject.
Oh, hindi check kayo.
Bakit?
Oh, okay.
Bad feeling eh.
Ano to? Na-reject?
Hindi. Pasok
Wala
siya.
Ito
naman.
naman.
Si Kill Uncle lang tsaka si
Okay, for
Itlog.
the record,
Guys,
wala kami na
you
itlog
should
dito.
be
ah. For the
check.
record, wala kami na itlog. But you will see a fail.
No, it's gonna pass because I'm
But
good.
you will see a
Sheka,
fail.
you better be good, girl.
You will see a
Don't
fail.
betray me, girl.
Wala kami
Don't
na
betray me.
itlog, wala
Paklik ng
tayo.
reveal. Paklik na reveal. Ano?
Itlog, wala tayo.
Oh, success. Isa pa. Pag isa
That's
pa yan. Kilala na
Wala
natin,
ta-
guys.
wala-
Pag
For the
success
record,
yan.
wala
Isa pa.
kami na itlog, this will fail.
Pag success yan, kilala na natin.
Sa kanya.
Hindi,
Oh,
click mo ulit.
success.
Isa pa. Tapos
See?
na. Huli na natin yung dalawang bad guys. Huli na natin. Sino na?
What
Just
happened?
don't get-
Success?
Just don't
Tapos
include
na.
Log and Kill Uncle together. One of them is
What
bad.
happened? Succeed? Choose me
Both
na.
of them are bad. Ako pa yung isang good. I'm good. Itlog. Ay,
Itlog.
si Itlog.
Don't choose me.
Si Itlog.
Don't choose me.
Mas, kahit anong piliin siguro na Itlog dito.
I don't know if it who
Okay, itlog,
between
do
Kill
not
Uncle
include.
and Itlog
Itlog.
is bad. One of them is
Yes.
bad.
Okay, include me, itlog. Total,
Wait,
we
are
have
you
no-
saying Skido
No,
that
that's
I'm
gonna
bad?
fail.
Are you saying that
No, no,
I'm
no.
bad? Kasi
Itlog,
sabi mo,
choose me. Let's redeem
Kila
ourselves.
Uncle, you and
Itlog
who?
or Itlog or Kill Uncle is
Itlog,
bad.
let's
Ako
show
na lang
them.
isa.
Let's show them
Yeah,
how the good
between
guys.
You
you
think I'm
and
bad?
Sheka, I don't
Yeah.
know.
Sa
Sheka,
Kill
first
Uncle
quest
and
pa
who?
lang ako ah.
I don't
Let's show
know.
them how the good guys
Ah,
win.
si Skid.
Dalawa lang ba?
Oh.
Yan
Wala
lang.
ba to? Tatlo to, di ba?
No, it's between you and Sheka.
So Kila Uncle and who?
Wow.
Sandman or Kido?
I'm good. I am good. I am
Isang
good.
quest
I
pa
am
lang
good.
ako
Who do you want to
ah.
include? Kila Uncle.
Based on
isang quest pa lang.
statistics,
Huh?
Sheka and Sandman are not on the same team. Yeah.
Itlog,
Because I'm
Why?
let's
good.
redeem ourselves.
Because
Kido
I'm
or
good.
Sandman?
Parinig si
Bakit
Kila
hindi
Uncle.
pwedeng tayong tatlo? Yung good.
Yeah,
Why?
Uncle,
Sa
sino gusto
sa
niyo?
first
Yeah,
quest lang ako
all I
sumali
know-
and I put in good.
Yeah,
I put
all
it
I know
success.
is Kill Uncle and Itlog. One of them is at least bad.
Okay, let's try
Guys,
Sandman.
look, itlog
Don't
is, look at Skido trying to convince everybody that one of us is bad.
Wow.
It's
Because
so obvious. It's
it's
so
because that
obvious.
failed.
You're
That
right,
failed.
So
And
Kila
he said
Uncle, who do you want to
and I
include?
chose you. And
Oh.
you had to
Ako,
Sandman,
Pwede
come
ka-
Sandman.
I put in,
Sandman.
I put in
Oh,
success.
Pwede rin ka.
One of you failed that.
Sandman.
Come here, cat.
Skido? Si Skido,
Skido. Sige.
Itlog and Sandman, one of them is...
no,
I
no,
don't
no.
know.
Skido's doubting me right now. Kung hindi ka nag-doubt ng
Okay,
Skido,
okay, fine. If this
wala na, I
is no
rejected it.
Sandman okay.
I rejected it, yeah. I'm rejecting
I
that.
don't know if
I reject.
Bakit?
Kasi
Oo nga,
I,
bakit?
before nito, feeling ko good si Skido eh.
No,
Pero-
I'm good. I'm good. I rejected that too because I don't know between Itlog or Kill Uncle who is good.
So dapat in-approve mo kasi hindi naman kami magkasama.
Here, I'm gonna reject this because like
Sandman,
Itlog and Kill Uncle.
remember
are
quest
together.
number
Oo
1?
nga, bakit mo ni-reject? Eh, hindi naman kami magkasama ni Kila Uncle.
Oo nga, you're trying too hard to create dissension within the good guys.
Oh no! I'm good because I don't know who's bad.
You're
Okay?
trying too hard to create.
Oh no! I'm gonna reject
Oh, wait.
this.
Wait lang, moderator mode lang. FYI, it's Kill Uncle's turn. Ang suggestion niya is Kill Uncle, Itlog, and Sandman. Pero,
And Kill
Of
Uncle.
course,
Why
I'll
is
choose
he
myself.
so
I know
quick?
I'm good.
Why
And I
is
know
he so
Itlog is
quick?
good because Skido is trying a little too hard.
Oh no!
And of
I'm
course,
good.
Sandman and I fast the first quest, so this is a sure thing.
di ba good si
Yeah,
Sheka?
right.
My logic is flawless.
Oh, that's
Like why Kill Uncle
Good ako.
is choosing that?
Kasi
quick?
pareho kami ni Sheka
Kaya
na
ayaw
tig-isang,
ko makaka-reject kayo ng reject eh.
tig-isang
Approve
ano pa
naman
lang
ako,
kami.
approve.
Wala na, sige, may third quest pa naman. Ako naman
Sige,
sa
let's,
last
let's see
session.
what happens. Let's see what happens.
Ako naman sa last session. Good. Sige, worst case, ako naman sa last quest. Pero, di kasi pareho kami ni Sheka na
Fail
kami
yan.
sa 2, tapos pareho kami nag-
Fail yan.
So,
Doon na po, success. That's mine. That's mine. Anyway.
no, that's mine. That's mine. That's mine. And okay, that's
Oh,
mine.
okay, that's mine maybe.
Oh.
Sheka, why did you pass that girl? You're all
Oh,
good.
Wait lang. Okay, wait lang. Moderator mo na. 3
Oh my
points
God,
na.
Sheka.
Who called it?
3
This
points na ang
guy.
good guys. 3 points na ang good guys. But, so, si Kido and Sheka ang bad. Magpakilala na ngayon. Pakilala na for the recording.
Wait
Sino yung assassin? For the
Kasama ba ako
recording
sa
lang.
nag-vote? Sa success
Yes,
and
you passed.
Hindi.
Oh,
Wait, nalito ako. Akala ko, yung accept. Parang,
You need to
diba,
reject
pipili
that because all of them are good. Because if
Thank you, guys.
all of them are in.
Hindi ko alam na ako, kasama pala ako sa magpipili.
Again, for the recording, it's clear na si Skido,
Yes,
siya yung bad guys. Pag
Successful.
na-determine nila kung si Merlin, manalo pa rin sila. But let's see.
Bakit mo
Parang
sinasuggest na
clueless
bad guy
naman.
si Kill Uncle?
Before
Nalito ako dun.
Before nyo hulaan,
Okay,
kung sino man
profiling.
sino yung assassin? Taas kamay, sino assassin?
Yeah,
Sige. Before you hit submit, say out loud for the recording. Para hindi naman.
Oh, okay.
Sige. Pero anyway,
Profile.
sige.
Wait.
For the
Shek,
recording.
I'm so shocked why you passed that. But anyway, we still have a shot.
Kaya nga, nalito ako. Kasi akala ko, ang maglalaro is si Sandman, ikaw, tsaka si Kill Uncle.
Oh no.
Hindi ko alam na ako pala. Kaya akala ko, parang in-approve ko lang yung
Approved din
Inapprove ko-
pilian, di ba? May success and failure.
oh my God, sorry.
It's okay. But who do you think is
Nalito ako.
Eh, di ba
Ang
magkasama
hirap,
naman
ang
kayo sa
hirap
quest na yun?
I think
Di ba kayo
Kiloko is
magkasama sa
winning.
quest na yun?
Sandman, long game. Long con.
I
No,
think-
no words. No words. No words. Meet your
I think
minds.
Kiloko is
Sino-
winning.
Sabi mo if you're gonna guess. I'm not implying anything.
Oh,
Pero
Kill Uncle.
Yeah, if we lose, it's okay.
So,
Because
Skido-
we had the chance to assassinate Kill Uncle.
Skido is trying to
The
assassinate.
I'm gonna assassin the notorious person in this game. Kill Uncle. I'm gonna confirm. Okay, we lost.
Your uncle is not Merlin. I am Merlin. Good job.
Buti hindi niyo narinig yung
Ah,
sinasabi ko, nakalimutan.
Sino yung Percival? Sorry, sino yung Percival?
Ako,
Ah,
sabi ko, litong-lito ako, Sandman, bakit mo sinasabing fail kay Kill Uncle? Good guy pala siya.
Hindi,
Totally clueless.
alam ko kasi si
Profiling
Skido
lang
at
yan
si
eh.
Sheke yung bad eh. So, para lang hindi halata, ayoko mapasama.
Sabi, I'm the
wala,
sap
ano, it
here.
was
So, sure
play,
na sana akong si Kill Uncle and si Sheka yung bad guys. Nalito ako.
It was a play.
Ah,
lang.
hindi, kasi Skido was really against both of us, so it's just
Actually,
dividing
Ano ako,
the
I'm trying to confuse Percival.
in fairness, nakafuse siya. Pero actually na,
Confused ako kay Sandman.
sakto si Skido at si Shega nandun sila sa quest number 3. Tapos sinintay ko, shit, sana mag-fail sila pareho. Pareho sila nag-succeed. Okay, extra point for the good guys. So, nakalusot tayo.
Easy.
Buti na lang.
Easy
Good
win.
job.
long con. Okay.
Nice,
After the real long
nice.
con.
Alright, that was fun. So, sige, let me wrap this game up. Guys, that was Avalon with Sandman, the Merlin. We won. Good job. Itlog, Percival, and loyal servants of Sandman and Itlog killed them.
Clueless. What?
Too bad. Bawi na tayo next time. Skido and check. So, guys, if you like this video, I know I do. Like this video, click on the like button and subscribe. Hindi pa kayo subscriber and the notification button. Update kayo every time we upload these types of games. And if you'd like to join our game, send us a message. We'll definitely invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.